Okay, so let's take a look at how you can embed images into your WordPress post using Design Builder. So first thing, let's go to our dashboard, then choose the page where we wish to embed this. Let's say if I want to use this particular page, let's edit it with Design Builder. Okay, here you can see you have preview. Select that. Now it should show you the section where you can drop your elements. So click on that plus sign, then elements. Okay, once you go to elements tab, choose content, right, and then add custom code. Now you can increase its size. Make sure to edit the element and you will find option to add custom HTML. Now we have to find the custom HTML for a particular page. So let's see, this is the image. So if we open it in its new tab, here we'll find option to embed image. Okay, all we have to do is copy this particular block code class, then go to the page where we wish to add that. Click apply, right, then save and publish the page. Now let's go to the pages and let's see the view and let's see how it is visible. Okay, it's taking the time to load this particular image. Okay, so after the refresh you can see that particular image is now added to WordPress post. So you get the idea how to add image into your WordPress post or page using Design Builder.